Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today the weather is really crappy outside. I'll insert a little clip here to show you just how disgusting it is again today. It's not snow this time at least, but it's raining and thundering and lightning and everything, so I'm just been staying inside all day, and I thought today would be the perfect day to review some products that I got in the mail the other day. I ordered two products from a website called TheBalm Cosmetics. I seen an ad for this particular palette on Instagram when I was scrolling through, and I'd never heard of TheBalm before, but I was interested in it because it comes with a magnetic palette. I remember a couple years ago these were like all over the place. People were depotting all their eyeshadows and putting them into palettes and to save themselves room and to split up all the palettes that they have, which I have a ton of. So that is one reason why I bought this palette, was because I saw the magnetic container, and I'm currently trying to come up with a go-to routine for the summer. So I figured that I can use this palette to sort some eyeshadows in that I just want to pick up quickly and get done and go out the door. So that's why I got this particular palette. I already sorted it into the colors that I'm going to use just to test it out. This is all the colors it came with, and this is the ones that I'll be using down here. I also got a mini lip gloss kit. This is version 1. So I figured I would swatch those and try those out for you today as well and show you what the colors look like and everything. I'm not sure exactly how old these products are. I'm sure they've already been reviewed and everything all over the place, but I saw them online and I liked them, so I grabbed them and I figured I would try them on camera with you guys. As for prices of these, the normal price of this was $35, but when I ordered it, it was on sale and I got it for $19.99. The lip kits were also on sale. It's regular $25, but I got it for $14.99. It took about 2 weeks delivery to get here. So again, the company is TheBalm Cosmetics. They're paraben free and they're cruelty free and they're talc free. If you're into all that, or so if that's important to you, then this product would definitely be up your alley. I'm not going to bother putting on foundation and everything because, like I said, the weather's crap. I'm not going anywhere tonight. I'm not doing anything like that, so I don't really feel like putting on a full face and everything, so I'm just going to be testing out the eyeshadows. And I don't think that there's any point in putting on foundation either, because I will be cleaning my lips a lot to swatch and show you the colors that come in the lip kit. So there's no point putting on foundation because I'm just going to have to clean all that every time I clean off my lips to try new colors. So also, I got these lashes at Winners, oh gosh, a while ago. I just haven't used them yet, and they are 3D faux mink lashes, and I've never tried mink or faux mink lashes before. Mink I wouldn't try because as far as I know, it's real animals, and I'm not really into that for gluing to my face. So I wouldn't wear real animal fur. I like fake animal fur, but yeah, I wouldn't wear real animal fur or anything like that. So I'm not about to go out and wear mink lashes, but faux mink lashes I figured I could give a try and see if I like them. I won't be able to talk too much during this video because, again, as I said, the lightning and thunder is crazy outside, but at the end of the video I will tell you how I like the products, and hopefully by the end of the video the storm will have blown over and I will be able to tell you how I like the products and what I think of them. And so yeah, if you want to see a review of these, let's keep watching and we will get into it. So the first color I'm going to try is called Salute. The second color I'm going to try is called Hello. The third color I'm going to try is called Hola. The fourth one that I'm going to try doesn't have a name, it just says Dramatize. The fifth one is called Extravagant. And the last one is Enhance. I'm not sure if that's the effects they're supposed to have, I guess maybe that's why they named them that, I'm not sure. This is the final look. The storm outside is finally passed, so I can now sit and discuss some of my thoughts about the makeup with you. The eyeshadow itself, it was very easy to blend. The only thing that I didn't really like about it was I wish that there was a bit more pigment in the color, but I mean you can always put on more I guess if you want, which is what I did. I just packed on a bit more color, but I mean if you're somebody who likes to just put on 1 or 2 layers and have it be done, then I don't know. I mean the darker colors aren't too bad. The blue, the pigment in it was really good, but just the red and the brown I thought were, I don't know, I had to go over it a couple times, so, but they blended really nicely and smoothly and I like that. The lashes, I like how light they are. They feel very light, however they are a little uncomfortable. I feel like they're a little itchy, scratchy, I don't know. Maybe it's just me, maybe it's just this certain pair, but I've tried a lot of the other lashes, which are, I don't know, I guess synthetic, and they don't really make me feel itchy, scratchy like this. Like, oh my gosh, like right now I just want to scratch at my eyeballs. So yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about them. I like how natural they look. Some lashes are very thick or they're just very dramatic, and I actually like these ones. I could see myself wearing these if I were just to like go out for an everyday look, but like I said, if they weren't so itchy. They're very itchy right now. The lipstick, the other shades I found, I like the lipstick, I like the formula. It is a little creamy for me. If you're into really creamy lipsticks and you're like this, I like more of a matte lipstick, so that's the only thing that I don't like about it, is I like more of a matte lipstick. But other than that, if you like creamy lipsticks, has really good pigment and everything. The other colors I do find are really bold, so I found that this one was, which was the last one that I tested, the Extravagant, I feel like that was the best one to match this look. I feel like the top is really dark and dramatic, so I figured a more natural lip would pair better with it. And yeah, so I would definitely like to try some more of their products, maybe some more different eyeshadows and see how those pigments work out. I definitely like the tray that I came with. Like I said, it's magnetic, and so I can attach different eyeshadows and put them in, and I still have all these colors up here that I can try, so I'm gonna test the pigment in them and everything. And this is the final look. If you liked the video, let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. If there's anything else you want to see me do, let me know. If there's any other products you want to see me test, let me know. I know there's a lot of products out there, there's a lot of brands out there, so if there's anything you see anywhere that you haven't really, that hasn't really been popularized or you haven't really seen all over the place, let me know and I will try to get my hands on it and test it. Yeah, I think that's it. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.